So today I'm going to share with you how to make $1 million with business acquisitions. Let's get to it. So hey, if you don't know me yet, my name is Moran Polber. I'm here to help you buy your dream business or a few of them. And I'm here to share my journey in that space over the last few years and experience. And I'm also the founder of acquisitions.com. So some of the common question that I'm getting from people is, how do you make $1 million in business acquisitions, right? The $1 million is kind of like the number that everyone want to get to. They think that the moment that they get to $1 million, they'll become rich, they'll become financially free. And it's funny, even when you talk to business owners, it's like the first number they have in mind is like, yeah, I want $1 million for my business, no matter how much their business is even making or if it's even profitable. Right? It's just like a number that's going to put you in the millionaire, I guess, club or something like that. And it's super exciting, I guess, for people that want to get to $1 million. And when they watch some of my content, they want to figure out on if and how buying businesses can get them there. So based on my experience and my clients' experience and kind of like my colleagues and people that I am surrounded with, buying businesses is the fastest way that I know to build yourself or get yourself $1 million. If you want to, I don't care if you want to look in cash or in net worth, and it's obviously a very different game. But let's say, I guess we can explore both. But I don't know any other area or niche or sector that can get you there as fast as buying businesses. Is it going to be easy? No. Is it going to be simple? Heck yes. It's a very simple process, but it's not going to be easy. It's like everything in life. It's like getting into shape or becoming healthy or losing weight. Is it simple? Yes. Is it easy? No. If it was easy, everyone in the street was ripped with 6 abs, right? And it's obviously not the case. So here's why I think buying businesses is the fastest way to get to $1 million. The first one is that you can buy things for less than they're worth. Especially with businesses, you can literally go and buy, think about it like if you can buy $100 note for $70 or $50 or sometimes for even $1. And the way to get there, to buy businesses for less than they're worth, is by finding motivated sellers. And this is something that is unlike anything out there. There are so many people who want to sell businesses because they have some personal issues, because they have some drama in their family. Unfortunately, some people die and they need to get rid, or their family need to get rid of those businesses because they don't want to run the business. Those opportunities, or people want to retire. I mean, heck, now with all the baby boomers who want to retire, there are thousands of baby boomers who want to retire every single day. So they will sell you their business for a lower price of what it's worth, just for you to take care of their baby and the brand that they build and their employees. This is much more important to them than the amount of money that they'll get, because they already made a lot of money over the years. So this is the first reason why I love the space of buying businesses. You can buy businesses for half of their value or even less. The second reason I think business buying is the best way to get to $1 million is that the fact that you can fix the business, optimize it, and make much more money. To give you an example from a deal that I've done is the fact that I bought the business and got access to the deal that had access to a database of 50,000 people. 50,000 people that the business never emailed, never sent a letter to, never called to. Just think about the low-hanging opportunity that you can have from a database like that and the potential upside that you can have from a deal like that. I don't know any other thing in the world that can have such an upside. No such upsides in real estate. The next reason that I think buying businesses and acquisitions is the best way to get there is the fact that you don't need to use your own money if you don't want. You can use OPM, other people money. You can go and leverage financial institutions and financial partners to join you on that deal, so you don't necessarily need to risk your own net worth if you don't want. Another reason that I like acquisitions is the fact that you can also make money from cash flow plus appreciation. So it's cash flow that you can get on a regular basis while you own the business, plus as you grow the business, the value of the business is going to grow as well. So when you sell the business, you can sell it for much, much more than the price that you paid for it, especially if you bought it from a motivated seller. Think about it. You buy it from a motivated seller, you fix everything, you grow it, and then you sell it to the right buyer who is motivated to buy you versus you motivated to sell. You're not motivated to sell, but someone is motivated to buy you. You're going to get a much different price for your business. So those are some of the reasons that I think business acquisitions is the best way to build wealth and get to $1 million, if it's in cash, actual hard cash, or net worth. If you like that, let me know in the comments below what you think. Subscribe to the channel if you didn't yet. And one of the biggest skills that you can have in that space of business acquisitions is learning how to do meetings, which is exactly why I created this video. I highly suggest you to go and check this video next, and I'll see you there in a second.